Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Hello, welcome. In today's video, we're going to be testing out the Ardell magnetic liner and lash set. I picked this up from Ulta yesterday, and I am super excited to try it out. So if you guys want to see how these go, then keep watching. Alright, so I zoomed you guys in a little bit, and if my face does look a little weird, it is just because I just washed, well, I didn't wash off, I took a baby wipe to wash off the makeup that I had on. I just had some mascara on from work this morning. So these are the Ardell magnetic liner and lash set. These are the Demi Wispies. On the front of the box here, it says that there's no adhesive needed, long-lasting, waterproof, paraben and latex free. There's a two-step application. You just apply the magnetic liner and then you pop the lash on. They're reusable. Inside you get the liner and then a brush and then the lashes. And then on the back you have your application. There's removal tips and then quick tips. So you have to apply these on clean, dry lids, which I have. For best results, use primer prior to application. And if you need to reposition, once the magnetic liner has dried, you just have to peel the lashes off and remove any liner residue from the band and magnet. And just make sure you don't detach the magnet. And then you just apply more liner and reattach your lids. So I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas because it says to use a primer for best results. So let's just pop a little bit on the eye. See if that, helps with anything. I did add like a little more foundation to my eyelid. Just to make them not look so gross. I don't know. Alright, so now that is done, let's get these lashes going. So this is the brush. I'm not going to use it because it is way too tiny and I already hate it. And then this is what the liner looks like. Almost looks like the Maybelline, the pot eyeliner. So I'm going to find my favorite eyeliner brush here. Well, it's not really my favorite, but the one brush I like to use to do my eyeliner, and I can never find it. To apply the eyeliner, I'm just going to be using this eyeliner brush from BH Cosmetics. I've had this forever. So I'm just going to dip in and apply my first coat of liner to my eyelid. So it is kind of sticky at first. Gonna really get it on that inner corner because whenever I apply lashes, it never sticks in my inner corner. And I'm gonna really get it on the outer corner, and I'm gonna do just a slight little wing there. So far I'm not a big fan of the liner. I just feel like it's hard to get a straight line, and like I'm afraid I'm gonna get raccoon eyes. Alright, so my two coats are done. My eyeliner is different on both eyes because my eyes are different. So next up we're doing coat number 2. And I'm just really focusing this one on the lower lash line, on the lash line. So I'm going to put them on now. And it is not sticking to my inner corner at all. What a surprise. Alright, so this happens every time I wear lashes, and this is why I don't really like them. every time I blink, I can feel it moving. I'm gonna do the second coat on my other eye. I'm just gonna do a little more. Just gonna pop the second lash on. Okay, so this lash is not sticking down on the outer corner, even though I put the liner there. These are not easy to apply at all. I'm so far not liking these. All right, so this one is on as good as it's gonna get. Here's my final thoughts. I don't really like the liner. I think it is way too thick. I don't like how the liner actually looks on my eyes. This is just not sticking. No matter how much I put there, no matter how much I try, it's not sticking. The inner corner is also just not comfortable, and I can kind of feel them lifting, and I don't really think you can cut these because of the magnet. Like, it's not gonna work out. Don't waste your money on these because they're a no for me. All right, so I'm really bummed that these are a no for me because I had high hopes for them. Let me know in the comments down below if you've ever tried any other magnetic lashes, and let me know how they went for you, because these are they're a no. I do not like them. They're super uncomfortable. I feel them lifting in the inner corners. The outer corners is just, they're a no. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.